In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run code in the Codex Cloud environment. First, open your project in Codex Cloud and make sure the environment is ready. Once your project is loaded, navigate to the task or conversation where you want Codex to execute your code. Next, ask Codex to run your application, script, or specific command. Codex will execute it in the cloud environment and display the output directly in the conversation. Review the results to make sure your code runs as expected. If you encounter any errors, you can ask Codex to explain the issue, suggest a fix, and run the code again after making the necessary changes. Running code in the Codex Cloud environment lets you quickly test your project, verify changes, and iterate without leaving your workspace. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.